We are Jefferson High School, and all of our students are unique. We do all have one thing in common. We are caring, committed, and contributing. This is a story about 4 friends. They are quite the bunch. It looks like they're in class. Look at them go. Was that the bell? Oh, guys, look at all the stuff you left behind. Nick, it's nice of you to pick up, but let's give the girls another chance. There we go. We're throwing away our trash, putting away our books. Great. Let's see where we're headed.